Angma Latashi Dele. Today 2nd April, Friday. We are going to celebrate Noah Sherpa birthday at Gokarneshwar Sundarizal, Kathmandu, Nepal. The institution name is Lava Prasad Das from Kathmandu, Nepal. The sponsor institution is Sitikung Hepling, Director of Keshitashi Torzila. The total amount that was spent was food 5,500, tax 3,000, stationery 7,700, volunteer 2,000, gas 3,000, cake 2,500, and the total amount was 23,700. Thank you, and lastly, happy birthday.
मैले चेपाङ गीत एउटा गाउन भनेको कसैले गाएन सबै मिठो छ दालमा चाहिँ बढी हाल्नु
भाइहरूलाई त ठिक्कै भयो होला आज कहिले नि नुन लाग्यो
मैले चेपाङ गीत एउटा गाउन भनेको कसैले गाएन